and welcome. So we'll continue with the modeling. Now we'll finish first the screwdriver, the second one. We'll name it just, and then we'll go for the third one. And as usually, I will keep the modeling off from the materials texturing and render. So in this part, I would like to finish the screwdrivers, and then we'll do the rest. So first of all, here, okay, I'll delete this modifier. Let's get to 4, and I will detach this one. I will try to focus first on the tip. I will delete this and convert this to poly. You can apply a true movement on that just to see the result and hide unselected. So first of all, we'll be playing with the tip, then we'll finish the handle, and then we'll start the third screwdriver and also finish. I hope so. Okay, so we'll make here a few changes with the shape. So first of all, we need to make it a bit more edgy. So select this, this, and this edge, deselect them here, and using scale, we'll scale them a bit. Now, the same we'll do here. Again, loop, deselect them at the end, and again, scale. Now, this and this, again, loop, and again, we'll deselect it there and scale it down to shape up to something like I have here. Okay, now select that, poly here, and scale this down to make it a bit thinner, maybe also a bit like this, maybe a little bit more. Now here is some kind of border between these two shapes. This was chrome metal, this was some kind of another metal, I don't know. So loop this extrude. We'll go with the smallest value which we can, and looping this we'll apply a very small chamfer, but this chamfer is not enough. Oops, my bad. Anyway, doesn't matter much. So again, I will extrude it a bit more inside. So I will not do there any bad chamfers. Okay, chamfer again. We'll go with the smallest one. Should be enough. Now we'll also chamfer this. Control Edge, small chamfer here. I'll delete this for a while. And now I need to bring this still a bit more edgy feeling and so on. I'm pretty sure it's still not so how I would like to have it. So I'll select this, 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 and this, having that, and connect like this. See? Pretty simple. Now I'll select this, loop that, this and this. And this one I will chamfer. I think something like this. Now I will deselect this and probably also this one. I will scale this side. Okay, let's look. Yeah, starting to look very nicely. Okay, one more thing probably I will do. is that I will select also these both shapes, deselect this and this, and perform the same scaling. Okay, one more time. Come out. Also from the other side. So again, loop that, deselect the front and the back, and move it inside. Just that simple. Okay. Now I think I'll select both of these. I'll think, oh no, I'll try to do this. Drag this back. Yep. Oh, it's strange that one side is absolutely different than from the other side. What I moved? What I moved? Yeah, probably I forgot something here. Now, I don't know why it's this happening always to me that I select something which I shouldn't. Okay, we'll go maybe not this, but this view. Try to move this. It's not equal to each other. Or let's try to copy this on this shape. Let's hold on Shift, move it onto an object. We'll just take the pivot to the center and rotate by 180 degrees. Better, we could use the mirror function here, probably a bit better. And let's see if we, yeah, it looks good. We can merge it together. Anyway, I have to. Let's start one more time. Okay, so here we go. This, here we go. That. Let's look. Okay. Horrible. Turn this off. Probably you don't have this, so you don't have to make this kind of stuff. But I think this should work how I have it right now. So I will touch them back. Now I need to perform some welds, but I'm a bit afraid that I will lose something. Yeah, as you can see, I was afraid about this one. So I need to perform the weld a bit differently, I think. I'll deselect this. Now let's try the weld one more time. I think I lost here already. No, it's fine. So okay to that. Not really. Deselect these two. They're too near together. Okay. Now I will need to weld some stuff manually, I think. Okay, this looks good. Oops. can see here. Just select every time just the words and weld them. That. Okay, this side. Let's go down. Okay, here, yeah, here it is. I'll try to perform the same, which I did at the other side, also here. Photo view. Let's zoom with this tool here, much better. So, the problem and solving for the problem. Now we should be okay. Okay, so we can again cut this and perform the last thing which I was doing before. I think I selected this. I loop them, deselected both of them, both sides, and place them somewhere here. And now took this and this, both sides, and just moved it back. That's too much. Okay, so quite a small fix there. Sorry for that. It wasn't my intention to do that, of course. So let's connect this one. Move it somewhere here, so we'll make the tip more harder at the beginning. Okay. Now we'll keep also the back. We'll keep that. Select the geopoly. Make from it a nice circle and straight extrude to the back. Okay, now I will perform a connect. Move some here. I will unhide all. Where we are, here we are. Okay. Select both. Place it somewhere inside. So it will be not connected to our shape. It doesn't matter much. Now, Z to zoom here. We need to cap this. Quite fine. So I will cap that. I will extrude this. I will select this here and perform a small chamfer, and voila, like that. That's this looking quite nice. So okay, this is our second screwdriver with one thing we didn't made, and it's this kind of stuff. Okay, probably I will use iterations, so I pronounce 3. Now, let's go to standard objects, primitives. Let's choose cylinder. Now, make here quite big cylinder sides. Let's go with 32. Make it smaller. I think. Oops. I think like this should be fine. Yeah, but thinner. A bit more. This is like this. We convert this to poly. Zoom on that. Select both ends. Control edge. Chamfer with the smallest value. We will get something like this. So we have these small bolts here. Now, let's go to poly mode. And let's select our polys on which we would like to have small bolts, which we have there. And I see here that I forgot something before. So set a bit and extrude back. Okay. So again, select the polys on which we would like to distribute this kind of object. Use the scatter function here and try to place our new created cylinder on this. We'll not use a mask for that. So selected them, can go back to tubeless mode, select an object, we'll go to compound, extend primitives, now compound object, scatter, big distribution object, it's our screwdriver. Now all edge points, you selected face only. Yeah, like this. Okay, so it's a bit too big. Let's go, I don't know, 70. Yeah, better. And now I will change the color of this. We'll apply smooth modifier on them. We'll wait. It's just a smooth modifier. It's nothing. Wait. Okay, it's applied. And for displaying, I will display options, display, I don't know, just 1% of that. I will save like this, a lot of memory. So, okay, how it's looking? Let's look on that. Like this. And okay, again we are waiting because I don't know. Okay, like that. Quite nice. Okay, one more time we'll okay, but is this possible? Okay, let's go 2 steps back. Oh, great. Anyway, it's not such a problem, I would say. Let's go 2 steps back. We are here. I will selection. I'll save this selection. I will wait again because anyway we'll go back and do some stuff. I forgot about that. So we could do this at the end. Come on, make me proud. Scatter will display again just 1% of everything. Go back to our object, of course. we select something else, it starts to distribute the objects there, but well, don't care about this. We'll insert this once. Should be fine. Okay, we're here. We can surely start. Starting to screw the displaying. Anyway, doesn't matter. I'm not looking at that. We will start. Okay. God bless this program. What we'll start here? Okay. We'll divide this into this to the groups. So this will be the first ID. It will be the black stuff. Now we'll select the back, grow it once. No, better. So far shrink. We'll select this together with the whole lighting. Also from the other side. I'll select this and also the rest. This not. I think we have everything selected. Now we'll grow the selection. Place here set ID 2. Okay, we'll turn this off. Let's go back. We'll start to get to our selection and okay, so we are done with this one. Okay, we can rename this screw driver 2. Okay, here we go with the last one. Now we can move this one somewhere, and I will start with a similar shape which we had here. Now let's go back here, and let's start with the object. We'll go standard primitive cylinder, and we can keep our grid selected. And again, our initial primitive will be a cylinder. Now, so far I will go with 8. We named that big S, capital S. And here we go. So this shape is a bit different, as you can see, and we'll choose also a bit different approach for this. Okay, fun. Okay, like that, and that. Okay, I'm just thinking, but I think I know how. Okay, let's go again with 2020 and 22 and half. Turn 2020. What's wrong with me? Okay. Good. Now rotate by 90 degrees. First of all, we'll make the base. This is the first different approach. The base is flat. That's a good thing. So I'll go just somewhere here and here to the back. So we'll get a bit the same size of the handle like here. Maybe a bit bigger, smaller. Okay, we can go to the back. Now I will select. Let's go first with the front poly. And what I will do here. Okay, I will just go with the manual bevel and I will go somewhere here and inside. The same. Absolutely, I will do the same. Now let's go to perspective. Now we have here a nicely shape on which when we apply higher turbo smooth, it's around. Okay, that to do. Now part of the shape is apparently going down, part is kept up, and so on. So what I will do, I will select all of these edges before I will delete these polys. So again, edges and ring. So I will bring here more edges. Connect. I think everyone can see what I did. Now, I think the left view will be good for this. I will select these new vert sort edges, top of them. Select this. Turn this off. And I will do exactly this. This very strange looking shape. It's very strange and very ugly, I would say, at first. Maybe this is actually too much, but we'll see. Now, let's apply turbo smooth. It's always doing there something. Now, can go again from the left. No, we can't. Oh, okay. Well, we'll see. Let's select now these edges here. Perspective set to zoom. Now, we'll chamfer them after we loop them. Okay, chamfer the value, let's say a bit more, like this. Starting to get again a bit different shape. So far so good. Now I hope this will be working. I will just try full connect. Full connect is working, but not so good. Anyway, again, let's select these edges. Still keeping one in the middle. As you move this. So ring time. Again, left view, Z to zoom, and connect. You can go by Control Word, but deselect this. The bottoms. We don't want to move with them. Again, let's go to the scale tool and we'll try to copy a bit more of this. If you look on the shape right now, starting to have some kind of shape, but still not, because we are using a high smooth modifier, which is doing a very simple thing, the smoothing. Wasn't a good speech. Okay, now select all edges, but just one at one side, just near this one. All of one side. All of one side. Okay. Now, if we connect them, it won't happen anything because we need first to link them. So if we connect them, we want to move the connect around 80, the value of 80 to our shape. We have this. Select now the opposite edge of the second one. And bring connect with the same value. As you can see, now our shape is starting to keep the hardness, which is also here. Okay, now let's go to left view. Before, now but we need to make the bump, which is there, a bit higher. This we cannot see it there at all. So more ways to do that. I will do it so far that way that I will scale this first a bit. I will make this bigger. Yeah, it's looking quite nice. Okay, now that looks quite edgy if you look on that, but it's good. It's good. So if you are happy with the result, I am. Now will come the nice part. We kept both holes. Now to make from this a round shape would be quite hard, but because I believe that the editable-poly function will be still working, even though I suggest first to inset this with a very small value. You can do it with both sides, and then to apply editable-poly function, and also scale that after. We will get again a perfect round shape from which we can finish the modeling. Okay, let's go with this. Now, because we don't have here any reference already for that, so we'll just improvise. Will be not the first time. So let's make something like this. We'll go inside a bit like this, and now straight up a bit more, and down. Okay, I don't like this. Of course, it would be better if we go just like that, and now straight down. Yeah. Okay. Okay. We will go back to the shape and fix the rest of the things in a while. But so far, we'll go. Let's say a very simple shape which we have here. So let's do the beveling. Oops. So I don't know, something like this, maybe. Yeah, why not? Here are some stuff. Quite nice name for that. Okay, so well, I think it's here. So what we'll do, we'll just add connections. Okay, it's too much. I will do it just here. You can keep that, of course. And also perform chamfer here. Oh, I think the smallest chamfer. Okay, that's quite fine. Now, we'll use connect. You can give here a bit more edges, but also we'll place these ones somewhere here. Select this and this, bring that to connect, and maybe make it like this. Have here a bit different result. Okay. A few steps back actually, if I look on that. Oops. And hope. So is there something immediately when I release that I will not do anything from inside, just from outside. Oops, that's pretty enough. So I think the value was something like 65, 66. Okay, cool. Let's go first here to the back. To finish this, we'll again make here inside, and let's make here a random shape. We'll not make anything else here. I think it's quite enough. I have one idea. I got one idea actually. I will just try it here. Loop this new connection. Control, back to edge, backspace, backspace. Now select this one more time and try to get the full connect. Okay, but okay, I think this one's a bit better. But I would like to just try this crazy functions here. Where we are. It's possible. Now I cannot cannot remember how the hell it's used. It's called. Okay. Okay, I think when in a moment I will. It's set for. I think this would be. Yeah, actually this. It's better. Okay, same here. We'll apply the set for option. Cool. We're looking this. Nice. Okay, let's do this one here. Now, the last screwdriver would be the input one. Okay, I have no idea how it's called in English. It's square, simply square. I think we can use this here. It's the simplest one of all of them. Okay, now we'll detach this. Back here. Oops. Select a hole. Oh, kept that. Kept that. Control edge chamfer this. Okay, let's go like this. Select this other one and make this. This and this. Put that chamfer with the smallest value. And here we go. This one. I think also I will bring this and connect once. Maybe also chamfer this. Okay. To our last. Now our last is square. Of course, here would be the best to use just square, but it's not absolutely square. There is like 8 sides, 6. I can remember. Wait, I will look. Like small toolbox. Okay, I think there's 8. Let's go with 8 sides. So we have here a lot of sides. We don't want that. So what we'll do, we'll delete this. Also with that. So turn this off. Let's go with cylinder. Left and set it to 0. Now let's go from the middle. Oops. Okay. That was a bit strange. Okay, let's say that this is the middle. Make the radius a bit bigger. Let's say this. Can go like that. Convert to 40. Okay, this looks too big. Even too. So okay, let's go like here and make the radius smaller. Okay, to something like this. This is perfect. the left view, front view, any other view, we'll set up this. We'll convert this to poly. Now change the color of that because it's ugly. Okay, we are here now. What we'll do, select from the left view, I think, every second edge. Okay, ring that, but go to poly, delete this, delete the back. So one more time, we'll connect. Man, one more time. Connect. Oh, cool. And we'll move it somewhere here. So 70. We'll go with 70. Now, let's select the rest of the edges. So now, again, every second one. And we should go with the same value. If I'm right? Yeah, no, I'm not right. I haven't done. I did. So I did something or not? We are still missing few. So we did again a connect. Now, apparently, I need one more here. Like that. Connect. Now, set the zoom on this. I need a negative value here. The same I need on these ones. Ring. Just hope I choose the value good. Yeah, it's enough. So let's select this, cap that. Again, select this one, connect. Now, can leave this value which is there, move it manually. Something like this. This will inset a bit, like this. We'll make again one connect. Move it also here, and this part will just place inside. We can. Okay, we'll cap that, and we'll also insert this. Okay, we'll keep it somewhere here. Okay. So here we are. Here we go with the last screwdriver. Let's compare the sizes. Place this up. There should be, all of them should be, let's say, similar size. But I think the first one which we did. No, it's not the first. Okay, I know why. Okay, now they are fine. Okay, what to do now? Now it would be good to do VIP render. Modeling is good. I know there is some stuff we didn't make, but we'll do. Uh, Now, very important thing, the VIP render. I'm really looking forward to see it. Okay, first I will set up the resolution. Now it shows a frame. I will go to the left view, select all of my screwdrivers, go back to perspective. You can now, I think, move somewhere here. This. Now, so far for better handling, I will group this. SD2, SD3, group, SD1. Okay, I think we can hide the reference pictures so far. Ooh, okay. Group, ungroup. Because apparently I didn't select that. Okay, SD2. Now, the left view. Now, from the left view, I will just move all of our screwdrivers to the bottom. From this point, we can't set up our scene just by moving the objects somewhere where we want them. That's a bit strange, you know. Yeah, let's go to do scene screwdrivers. Okay, we'll need to do it on an angle like this. Let's go this one here and that one. Okay, let's get the camera from this view. Maybe we'll use it after. Now, we know that by this kind of render, the VIP render, our materials are standard, very easy to do. So standard. One is almost white, almost. It's the bottom. And one is, let's say, this. It would be our, well, it would be the rest. So I'll select everything, assign to our selection. Can a bit move that. Oops, my bad. Not this one. Open camera. Okay, like this. Let's say like this. Now we need just standard skylight system. Render setup, and let's hit the render button. It should be quiet. Quite fast, but I'm not sure here because remember we have here some the small things all around, as you can see there over there. Okay, distribution there is not so good as I thought, but the rest is doing very nice. What I will do, I will save this because I see how it will like break down. Let's go with higher values. we want a nice render, of course. 380 points. It's too much for the current, but so nice. Screwdrivers. Okay, so here we go with a camera. We will go to left view if everything is sitting on the ground. This is also important. There will be not floating. It's always important. So I think we can move it a bit. Okay, save that. Now to this distribution. So group and group. But okay, looking at this, I don't see there are any missing parts, so it can be because they're in the right now. Yeah. So I increased the quality of that. Let's see it right now again. Okay, we'll wait a bit as usually, and then it will be done. It's taking a little bit longer. It's more edgy points instead. Okay, that's good. Okay, it's looking quite nice. Actually, it's looking very nice. I like it. Come on. Okay. I think the last thing which I will change here is a bit again the angle. I would like to have them a bit more lying. Okay, let's go with that. I will also change the scatter one more time. Just one. It's enough for testing and so on. And also I think I will just ungroup everything. I will not forget to do that later. Do the last render and this part. And in the next part we'll do the materials and so on. So there will be more different materials. There will be metal, there will be some black metal or whatever. So chrome and another metal, so two types of metal, rubber, plastic, some transparent plastic, and I don't know what else. Yes, I like this angle a bit more. Okay, so at the end, thanks for watching. I hope you liked so far the tutorial. It's really nice to get through all the screwdrivers. And I will see you in the next part. So bye bye.